Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today Monday, new week, new puzzles. Monday on June the 20th, 2022, we have only one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. Not so good news today because in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. No extra puzzles. Let me show you. Um, so the Saturday edition, I've already solved all the puzzles, and I believe on Friday we have also no extra puzzles. So I have solved all the puzzles of the Thursday edition. So the day before, Wednesday, I have the edition of Wednesday here, and last Wednesday we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. So I will do those extra puzzles of the Wednesday edition. And what's the news of today? Let me show you what's the news of today. Monday, June the 20th. Not again. Yes, he did it again. Yes, in Canada, Max Verstappen rules the Formula 1. Yes, he won the race car, Formula 1. Yes. All right, go back to the puzzles, and this one will be number 4726. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And so it should be easier than the 1-star puzzles in the additional. And for the 1-star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see. Maybe 14, 15 minutes. That's my target. So let's get started. Let me see. The 1, I can start with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, here cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row. Here we have a 1 in the second row, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1 in this column should be there. All right. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right, and now I cannot continue with the 1. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see for other digits. 7. All right. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, and 9, and look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. Here, 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box, so 1 box left for the 9, should be there. So 2 numbers are left, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the 3rd row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, middle row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. All right. Then, the 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. All right. Then. Let me see. 9. 9. Okay. 5. How about 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 3, 7. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, and look, we have a 7 and 8 in the second column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. So we have 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Yeah. I'm thinking. 8 and a 7. Look, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this column is 8 and a 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in this big square, so no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 and a 7 there, but this box should be also 8 and a 7 because we need a pair here. Yeah, 8 and a 7, the pair. Here also a pair, 8 and a 7. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about, let me see, 8. No. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 3. 3. Okay. Let me think. 8 and 7. 2 missing numbers here. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. So 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Well, we have a pair. Here, the pair. Here also a pair. 7 and the 8. Okay. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So this 5 and the 6 are left. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. 8, 7, okay. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 7 and 8. I've marked those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. If I know 2 numbers in this big square, it seems the same numbers. We will check. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the Wednesday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.